Hello, my name's Marie. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. Today's video is a part of a minis challenge hosted by Corey from Crafted by Corey. You can view her video and channel as well as a playlist for the other creators for this fun mini challenge. Be sure to check out the description box below. For the first DIYs, I would like to share some bee themed decor ideas. So let's get started. The items needed are this small decor sign from the Dollar Tree, a small dowel, flowers and stickers from Hobby Lobby. You'll also need a hot glue gun and some white paint, which is optional. The first thing I did is remove this little piece from the box. Next, arrange your daisies and hot glue them down into place. I painted the end of the dowel white, and I'm going to cut off about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to use these dowel clippers from the Dollar Tree to trim that off. I'm going to use a little dab of hot glue to stick the little dowel piece on there. This will give the bees a cute 3D effect. I'll arrange them on the decor sign and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is, all completed. I love how this turned out. I added a little bow and I love the 3D effect of the bees. I think this would make a great addition to your spring decor. For the next DIY, you'll need this Hexagon shadowbox, black and yellow paint, a finial dowel cap, a craft bead, a small dowel, bee buttons, a Sharpie, scrapbook paper, and a glue gun. So the first thing I'm doing is painting the shadowbox. You can choose whatever color you like. Now I'll take the scrapbook paper and I'm going to trace along the inside of the shadowbox with my finger. Next, cut out the shape and set it into the shadow box. Next, trim about an inch off of your dowel. Then hot glue the dowel piece into the bead. Look how cute this little honey dipper is. For the honey pot, I'm going to paint a yellow stripe all around this finial. When the paint dries, you can write honey with your Sharpie marker. You can put some hot glue running down the top and the sides of the honey pot and on the honey dipper. With a small detail brush and some yellow paint, go over all the glued areas. This is what we're getting so far, and I think these are coming out really cute. You can cut the loops off the back of the bees by using some wire cutters. I'm going to use these letters from the Dollar Tree and add some ribbon, and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is all completed. I love those little bees with their smiley faces. I also added a flower, and this bow just ties everything all together. I really love how this turned out. For the next DIY, this is going to be very easy and simple to do. You just need an empty burlap ribbon spool, an embroidery needle bundle, some white paint, a paintbrush, and a hot glue gun. The first thing I'm going to do is peel off one of these ends. Now I'm going to paint this part white. While the paint's drying, I'm going to get some scissors and cut off the elastic. I trimmed off the top of the spool with some scissors. I'm going to hot glue this right on top and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here's how the mushroom turned out, and I think this came out really cute. I added a Dollar Tree butterfly sticker, and I think this is perfect for your spring decor on a tiered tray. For the next DIY, this is also another simple project. From the Dollar Tree, you'll need this Easter card, this small photo frame, white ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. I'm going to cut this part out with scissors. Next, use a pair of pliers to remove the clip from the photo frame. Then you can use a glue stick or hot glue to glue this thing down. I've changed the white ribbon to this pretty purple one. I'm going to add this bow and another embellishment, and I'll come back with a final reveal. Here it is, all completed. I love the little bow and the added cross, and I love that message from the Easter card. I really love how this came out, and this would be perfect for a tiered tray. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to help my channel grow. And to all my returning and new subscribers, I thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye!